Yo, what's up? I'm just gonna do this shit to my Xbox because I fucking hate it. And I tried everything, but fucking Xbox. PS3 works amazing still, whatever. This thing's a piece of shit. Fuck Microsoft, like, good. Piece of shit. I was playing some Halo 3 and this piece of shit busted down on me. I fucking hate it. I never played anyway, but I'm just gonna do this shit because I said it, I heard it on the internet. Seen this shit happen on the internet. I'll do it again when it does this shit again. Piece of fucking shit. Fuck Microsoft. Fuck Microsoft. Fuck you, Xbox. Fucking Xbox, okay? Fucking piece of shit. That's the good stuff. I'm gonna leave this for 20 minutes and continue the damn video. Alright, it's a moment of truth for this piece of shit. Been watching videos on YouTube, how to fix it, with that shit. It just temporarily. Been just sitting there, looking at the YouTube and shit, how to fix it. And, yeah, waited 20 minutes for it to bake, waited 20 minutes for it to cool down, and not that I care, but just try it out. And it fucking works. Voila, fuck you still. It's gonna break in like a week. I'll do the shit again. Yeah, that's where it's at. Exactly. Piece of shit. Yeah. Whatever. Works. Fuck it still.
Oh! The top feels so much better than the bottom. So much better. Should I use a window shopper?